I'm here with my daughter, and she's gonna help me show this item. I thought it was a pretty cool item. I got one for my wife, and I got one for a very good friend of ours, and I hope that they like it. So, ready? Mm-hmm. Can you guess what this is for?
Ah.
Cool, right? Can you get the measuring tape? I hope this doesn't give it away. It's written on top of it. Well, to some extent, it has some type of measuring. Does it have measuring? Can you get the measuring tape, please? It has measuring in there. I mean, yeah. No, right there in the drawer. In the drawer. This comes off. Yes. This comes off. Isn't that cool? So let's just take some measurements of it. Mm-hmm. Pretty deep. Okay. And then let me see this way. Okay. And I guess that's it. Widen it. Okay. Can you guess what this is?
Okay, it is a...
Well, hold on. Let me get the bottom. Okay, let me just show this.
Oh my God.
Okay, go ahead. Tell us what it is.
It's a spoon dock.
Okay, but what does that mean? How do you use it?
So, like, I think it's like for... So, like, you hold spoons.
Yes, but where do you dock it on? No, okay, you put the spoon in there. Okay, so let's go get a spoon. We're going to imagine that this is a spoon. So go ahead and show us how it'll work. Very good. And then where do you put this?
Like
Let's show how.
pan.
Very good. Can you get us a pan, please? Perfect pan. Thank you.
You just put it right beside the table.
So you put it here, and where do you put it? You just hang it off the pot. And I guess it's kept separate for heat, so it doesn't get hot. And this is how you use it. Isn't that cool? So while you're in here stirring away, right? Then you just put it away like that, right? You see that? Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you're stirring, and then you don't have anywhere to put the spoon, so you don't want to leave it inside, and so then you put it where? Very good. Pretty cool. All right. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye. You want to say bye? You want to say bye?
Yeah, wait.
You don't need to have this on. We'll put it on later. Go ahead.
Bye.
Say bye. And what else? What else do you want to tell them?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye.